Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset a Dometic Evolution rooftop RV air conditioner. And in order to basically reset it, first of all, you need to turn the air conditioner off from your RV's thermostat. Then wait for the rooftop fan comes to a complete stop before disconnecting the power. Afterwards, you just have to simply disconnect shore power and switch off the generator if it is running. And you need to also turn off the RV AC breaker. Just leave the system without power for about 5 minutes so that the rooftop control module can completely reboot. Now restore the power in the reverse order. You need to first of all turn the breaker back on first, then reconnect the shore power and start the generator, and then you need to wait for further 2 to 3 minutes before using your thermostat. Now during this time the rooftop control board completes its setup or startup sequence. After that, you need to select the cool mode and set the thermostat or the temperature to at least 3 to 5 degrees Celsius below the current cabin temperature. Just keep in mind that the compressor may not start immediately because the evaluation unit has a built-in compressor protection delay. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.